Good afternoon, people. What we're going to do, this is hive number 304, dead tree. It's a double deep nuke. We're going to take the top box off first and set it over here on your right side. Y'all probably know which is your right side. Okay. But we're going to see what's going in there. We're going to check the bottom first. Hopefully the queen's in the top. Seems like this one had a new queen too. I've got 3 notes up here. I can't read any of them because that oh mercy. Yep, there's something in that one. This one got bees. And they're angry. So we might need to get a smoker on them. That or else just come check them tomorrow. It's getting a little bit later now. But we have it all. Okay, we got the smoker now. Okay, we're going to take this one off. Out first. There's a lot of bees in here, but they're not clustered up to where we need to smoke the rim or in here. But they're not happy. And it rained last night, my smoker ain't working all that great. And it's not that cold out here. It rained for the last few days though. Okay, this one has some pollen on it. This one it's a pollen frame. We're going to set it, whoops. Bottom's clean. They have honey. This one here has some stuff in it. Not much, but there's a little pollen in there. This one's got a bunch of honey in it. And some pollen. Both sides. Looking good so far now. Could take that one out and put over there on 441. Oh, girl. This one here has a little nectar, a little honey. Not much, but a little bit. Glad we did it this way because they would have gotten real angry the other way. This one here has honey on it. A little bit on that side. A lot of bit on that side. Bottom on this side real clean too. So we're gonna put everything back where we had it. This one may have had a yellow queen. I'm not sure. We'll find out though. Got a bunch of girls over here on this side. Come on up. Come on. The babies here, they don't know where they're at. Don't know. There you go. See them all running in there? Bless their little hearts. We got all these over here, and they need to come up too. Come on. Wrong way. There you go. You know, watching them like a bunch of little kids lost their mama. Don't know where home is. I got lost at Myrtle Beach one time, and I was just a little baby. Well, I was a little baby. Must have been about 7, 8. We were down at Myrtle Beach for the week. And this is a long time ago, people. You can go there then without any problem. Other than the police, because the police was polices back then. Okay, girls. Got some right here. Okay. Now what do we need to do? They have a little pile of it. We're going to give them some more. If I put it in between the frames or boxes, I believe that you know, if they need it, they'll go up. If they don't, they'll go down. But we're going to pick this up now again and put it on top, and then we're going to check it. That was the plan anyway. Okay. Y'all a little bit higher, maybe you see better. Put you over here. Take you down. There we go. And we're going to see what's in here. They got the top stuck real good. They've quietened down a lot. Queen's in the top box. I could tell that not from looking at them, but from the way they were making noises. 2 little lizards on there. And the little lizards now eat bees. They have a few frames they can fill out. No bugs. Okay, girls. Smoker. I think all they're doing is getting air. Pine straw doesn't want to burn when it's wet. straw when it's wet, don't want to burn. And what we have is wet. Okay, that should have sent Mama down to the bottom. So we're going to take this one off first. And what you need to do with the bees now, you got to do it in season. With temperatures and stuff. So they had all that, kind of like plants, we had all that frost. I hate it when they crawl up my palm. We had all that frost, and that killed everything, and we're still having frost at nights here. We're getting down to 20s and stuff like that. This one had a little nectar on it. This side here has a bunch of nectar on it. The bees might get upset, but it cuts down the robbing. I'm going to take this one just sitting here so they don't have to worry about crawling up the front. I mean the side. This one has honey on it. It has some nectar. It has some honey. It has some larvae. I don't see a queen. She has brood going on in there. When it gets cold, people, they don't lay as much. And people ask me what kind of bees I got. When I first bought these, I bought 3 10-frame boxes. 4 boxes. They were Russians and Italians. So he said. I don't know nothing about bees. This one here has honey and pollen. We have honey and pollen on this one. Now we may come back tomorrow and change some frames around. Which we probably will. We may come back in a couple of days. Might not do it tomorrow. We only have about 3 hours, 4 hours to work. This one here is full of honey, both sides. And in that 3 or 4 hours, we have a lot to do. Okay, we know that they're doing okay because we saw larvae. We're just going to sit this here because we will be back. And we'll put that in there because girls going down in there. No bugs. And that's them, people. They look like they're doing real good. Growing little hive. That's the last one for today, people. Y'all saw the sun when it was shining before, and that's where it's going down. That tree in the middle is, the sun was on your right hand side. It's pretty though. You see a sunset if it wasn't up there. That's what our sky looks like. Camera don't show forever. There's an airplane flying from somewhere. There's 4 of them up there somewhere. See the trails? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but that's how I can see. Y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Most of all, just be happy today. Y'all have a great one. Bye bye.